is for apple, a juicy delight. B is for balloon, floating so high. C is for cat, with furry little paws. D is for a dog, wagging its tail for applause. Let's learn the ABCs, one by one, from A to Z. It's so much fun. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swimming in the bay. G is for garden, where flowers bloom bright. H is for hat, keeping heads out of sight. I is for ice cream, a treat in the sun. J is for jelly, sweet on a bun. K is for kite, dancing in the sky. L is for lion, with a roar so high. N is for moon, shining so bright. N is for nest, birds resting at night. Let's learn the ABCs, gather round, from A to Z, where joy is found. O is for octopus, deep in the sea. P is for pumpkin, as orange as can be. Q is for queen, ruling with grace. R is for rainbow, colors in space. S is for sun, warming the day. T is for tree, where children play. U is for umbrella, for rain or shine. V is for violin, music so fine. W is for well, in oceans deep and wide. X is for xylophone, with notes to glide. Let's sing the ABCs loud and strong, from A to Z, we can't go wrong. Y is for yo-yo, up and down it goes. Z is for zebra, with its striped clothes. Oh, we've learned our ABCs, from A to Z, with such ease. Every letter, story to tell, in our hearts they'll forever dwell.
Hey kids, let's learn fruits. Apple. Apple. Banana. Banana. Pineapple. Pineapple. Orange. Orange. Mango. Mango. Grapes. Grapes. Watermelon. Watermelon. Strawberry. Strawberry. Cherry. cherry, pear, pear, guava, guava, peach, peach, avocado, avocado, kiwi, kiwi, blueberry, blueberry, pomegranate, pomegranate, hey kids, let's learn vegetables. Tomato, tomato, potato, potato, eggplant, eggplant, pumpkin, pumpkin, peas, peas, onion, onion, cabbage, cabbage, cauliflower, cauliflower, carrot, carrot, capsicum, capsicum, bitter melon, bitter melon, okra, okra, green beans, green beans, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.